Hello and welcome to the Knowledge Source. So, yesterday a very unfortunate incident happened in which the glacial burst and because of which many seems to be lost their lives and there is a huge loss of property. Prima facie, it appears that this glacial outburst, or I would say glacial burst happened in Uttarakhand on 7th of February 2021. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about what is glacial burst and how it impacts the different formation of society and how this can be a disastrous for any country. So in this session we are going to discuss all the aspects of glacial burst, but before going further in this session I would like to say you that you can join us through the Telegram channel or Facebook channel whose link is being given in the description box. So on 7th of February 2020, a very unfortunate incident happened in which this glacial burst and because of which a massive floods occur and it swiped away different I would say hydro projects and different properties and different people who are working in these hydro projects are seems to be trapped, or I would say they have lost their lives. So around it is appear prima facie it appears that around 150 people has been reported missing because of this glacial burst, and many seems to be have lost their lives. And this surge has increases one of the biggest tragedy in Uttarakhand after those floods which happened 5 or 6 years before. So this glacial burst, I would say, it happens in Raini village, which is in Chamoli district of Garhwal, Himalayas, and it damaged the hydro project plant, which is of NTPC, which is situated in Tapovan area, and several bridge and lot of destruction has happened because of the kind of rapid movement of water flows through the system. So I would say this swollen Dholi Ganga flows through the Vishnu Prayag, and because of this whole system, I would say, then you can see here the majority of the this glacier burst happened, and because of the rapid movement of water, it impacted lot of areas, whether it be Rishikesh, Haridwar, Dev Prayag. So all these areas has been impacted more or less because of this glacial burst. So if you see, all around 125 people are seems to be missing, and they have been reported through the different organization, and all the major communities of the are working in continuous way to save the lives, whether it may be ITBP, whether it may be NDRF, SDRF. So all are collaborating to save the lives and the those who are seems to be trapped inside the this landslide happened. So if we see that what is glacial lake outburst, so in short form it is said to be GLOF, and it is a release or melt water. It comes down because of the certain cliffs or hanging cliffs of riverine belt which comes into the water, and because of this what happens is that a large volume of water seems to be burst somehow from the area, and it wipe out the area which comes through this river water flowing system. So this is a very catastrophic flooding system which happens in this glacial outburst, and because of the major geomorphic and socio economic impact it has created. So GLOF, or I would say glacial lake outburst, has three main features. First, it involves a sudden and sometimes a cyclic release of water. So what happens is that a sudden movement or big chunk of glacier will come down, and because of the large volume of water it displaces and it swipes out the different riverine systems. So it also happens, it tends to release a rapid events that last for even more than an hour. So you can imagine that these kind of situation where you can see that suppose this is a glacier. So if glacier water has been collected and this is called lake. So if certain part which is a very large thick and in size, it seems to be if it is sudden come down to this lake, a large volume of water will be displaced, and because of this kind of movement which happens very rapidly, it swipes down every object which comes into their path. So this it releases the large downstream river and discharges, which only increases the magnitude how it can be, it can impact. So if we see that how this glacier which sometimes outburst outburst, how it can be, what kind of impact it can create. So first of all, I would say it in the kind of glacier outburst it happens, it can create a massive flood in low-lying areas and flood the and ruin people's houses, destroy their agriculture land, and many people can lost their lives. So this is one of major aspects. And apart from this kind of outburst happen, especially in the glacier formations, it can also create an economic losses. Factory power plants can be shut down and it can be wiped down, like in Tapovan which has happened, and the traffic can also be ruined. So there is a huge moment for India, and the how India is dealing with it, it will be a very uphill task for the Indian government, because of the kind of landslides which has happened and the massive movement which has everything has been wiped out. And even right now government of India is planning to reach those people who are trapped, and they are dropping the food packets. So there is a huge uphill task for the government of India and the state government, and we really pray for the those who are trapped and who can come out of this drastic situation. So I think you guys have understood the topic very well. So thank you as always for joining.